How to super clean your car's interior, dashboard, center console, door panels, and glass. Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel AutoVFix. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of car interior cleaning. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an intermediate enthusiast aiming for that showroom shine, this video is packed with tips and step-by-step instructions on how to super clean your car's interior. So, grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before we jump into the cleaning process, make sure you have your supplies ready. You'll need microfiber towels, an all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, a soft brush, a vacuum cleaner, and some Q-tips for those tight spots. Step 2. Clear out the clutter. First things first, remove all the items from your dashboard, center console, and door panels. This gives you a clean canvas to work with and makes it easier to reach every nook and cranny. Step 3. Vacuum thoroughly. Grab your vacuum cleaner and start by giving the entire interior a good vacuuming. This helps get rid of loose dirt, crumbs, and debris that might scratch surfaces during cleaning. Step 4. Dusting and brushing. Use a soft brush to gently sweep away dust from your dashboard, center console, and door panels. Don't forget the air vents and small crevices. These tend to accumulate dust over time. Step 5. All-purpose cleaner application. Spray an all-purpose cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe down your dashboard, center console, and door panels. This helps remove grime, fingerprints, and stains. Remember, a little cleaner goes a long way. Pro tip 1. Test in a hidden area. Before applying the cleaner to a visible area, always test it on a hidden spot to ensure it doesn't discolor or damage the surface. Step 6. Detailing the dashboard. For textured surfaces like the dashboard, use a soft brush to agitate the cleaner gently. This helps lift dirt from the grooves. Then, wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth. Step 7. Cleaning the center console. Clean the center console in the same manner. Don't forget to clean around buttons, knobs, and cup holders. Q-tips are great for those tight spaces. Step 8. Door panel care. Clean your door panels, paying attention to the armrests and handles. Use the same cleaning process, and remember to be gentle around any electronic components. Step 9. Sparkling glass cleaning. Time to tackle the glass. Spray a glass cleaner on a clean microfiber cloth and wipe down the windows and mirrors. A streak-free shine is just a few wipes away. Pro tip 2. Avoid overspray. When using any cleaning product, be cautious not to let it overspray onto electronic components or sensitive areas. Step 10. Reassemble and final touches. Now that you've cleaned every inch, start reassembling your items. Put everything back where it belongs, and give the interior one final wipe down with a clean, dry microfiber cloth for that extra shine. There you have it, a super clean car interior that's ready to impress. Remember, regular cleaning not only keeps your car looking great but also extends the lifespan of your interior components. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more car care tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe and keep those interiors sparkling.